How to open a STAAD Pro file. Basic commands or shortcuts in respect of nodes and beams. Supposing if we want to introduce a node at a distance of 1.5 meter, say 2 meters or whatever it is, from the lesser number node to higher number node, we are going to see some more tools available in using the beams, which can be easy for you to edit the structure after creating a whole structure. How to use the tool translate and repeat, or otherwise how to make number of more floors or copying and pasting related subject. Now we are going to see how we can create a new file of the same type which we have already created without any properties, without any load assignment. Tips number 1. How to open a STAAD Pro file. Click this STAAD Pro file icon. Double click it. Now these are the files I have already stored in my computer. Now you are opening a new file. How to open this? Click new. Firstly, the unit is most important. Click metric. Metric means you are going to feed the measurements in meter, Newton, and etc. Then click create. Oh, this title is already existing. The STAAD is saying this. So primarily you change the title. One, I am saying this. This is storing place, the location of storing. That this I have selected as E drive, CAD and STAAD Pro folder. Now create. Now the file has a new file, working space has been created. So starting, you feed this x-axis as 0. Click it. 0. Yes, the first node has been formed. Suppose the x-axis, suppose it is at a distance of say 5 meters. Click 5 meters. Another node is created. So these nodes can be repeated for any number of times with with the use of feeding the coordinates in x and y direction. Z is vertical direction, that is not required for drawing the plans, or you can copy and paste the nodes at any distance. This copying and pasting I have given in some other video, there you can see. So this is the method how to create a new STAAD Pro file. This is to introduce the basic commands or shortcuts in respect of nodes and beams. Firstly, what is the shortcut for knowing the node number? For that, you click Shift plus N. Shift and N. See, Shift and N, on pressing this, the node number are getting displayed here. Press the same thing, Shift plus N, the number disappears. Similarly, next, to know the beam number, Shift plus beam. The beam number appears. By doing the same thing again, Shift plus beam, the beam number disappears. This is a basic command which will be used in more of the time. Likewise, for rotating this, you can press the right arrow in the keyboard. By this, it means your eye is moving in the right side. Viewing eye is moving in the right side. If you press left side in the keyboard, left arrow in the keyboard, it means our viewing eye is moving to left side. Up window, our eye goes up. It is viewing point is goes up. By pressing lowering down arrow, our viewing point is going down. By this way, we can use these drawings. If you like to come to the normal position, you go to view and click display whole structure. This entire structure will come to its isometric view. Creating a new node in an existing beam. Suppose if we want to create a node in this beam, firstly zoom it or go to view. We can do is in this by using the zoom command also. See, this has come here. This is the beam where we are going to introduce node. You select it, right click it, insert a node. Supposing if we want to introduce a node at a distance of 1.5 meter, say 2 meters or whatever it is, from the lesser number node to higher number node. The beam is running from 243 to 244. So this is start point, this is end point. Start point means, see, this is green line is start point. So from this we are creating a node at a distance of 1.5 meter. Print 1.5. This proportion is automatically given by the STAAD. Now you are inserting a new point. Click new point. Without forgetting, click on exactly on clicking this point gets appeared in this box. You click OK. The new point, new node has formed here at a distance of 1.5. Here you please understand that after creating this node, this beam is a separate beam and this beam is a separate beam. You understand this. Supposing if you want to so by this way we can create a new node. As supposing, so undo this node created as gone. Supposing if you want to create, right click, insert beams, say for if you want to create a node at a midpoint, you click here, this midpoint has formed here, this insert point has also formed here. Now click OK. See, a node is formed at the middle of the beam. If you want to create two nodes at equal distance, select the beam, right click, insert node. You print as you want to introduce two nodes, add n points. So two nodes at equal spacing is formed. You click OK. The same thing will go to the picture. See, the two nodes at equal distance has formed. Click this, undo. Those things will go. So this is how we can insert nodes. Now we are going to see some more tools available in using the beams, which can be easy for you to edit the structure after creating a whole structure. Now we are going to insert a node here. In this last beam, we are going to insert a node at a distance of about, at a distance of 2.5 meter from 243 node number, you create and you click add a new point. Okay. See, one node has got created. Similarly, do the same thing for the next beam. 2.5 new point. Okay. So two nodes we have created. Add the two nodes with a beam. Okay. Now we have created a beam. Okay. That is not the important thing. But now you see that this is the beam which we were seeing previously. But now you see that the beam has got split into two. This has become a one beam and this has become another beam. Supposing if you like to, you want to keep both the beams as a single beam, you select both by holding Control key, go to merge. So this pop-up window says a new beam is going to be formed with the name 544. It says whether it is okay or not. We are going to say new beam creation means there are two beams. These are merged and the new name is going to be given in this number. We are going to say merge. Yes. See here, now select this. This whole beam has become a single beam. But the next central beam, these are into two sides. If you like to see the same thing, we can do here also. You select both the beams, go to merge beams, merge. Yes. See here, they both has joined. Okay. Supposing if you want to, now this the end to end is in a as read by a single beam. If you like to change these two into separate beams, you see, go to select node cursor, click this node. Now you go to geometry, break beam, new beam created, cursor, node cursor. To go away from this, press escape and click, that will go. Now you see that the long end to end beam has become into two parts. By this way we can split it, we can merge it. Okay. Next we are going to see how to extend an existing beam to the some direction. You select these two beams. We are going to stretch it or extend it in the rear side. We have selected the two beams. Go to stretch. We are going to stretch or extend through a distance for about 2 meters, 2.00. At the end side, and the blue line came in the right side, so the blue line means this end side. Select end. Click apply. The beam has got extended or stretched by this 1.5 meter, 2 meter, whatever we said previously. By this way, we can extend the beam to the starting side, or the green side, or in the blue side, which is starting side and ending side. Now we are going to see how to use the tool translate and repeat, or otherwise how to make number of more floors or copying and pasting the related subject. Now this is the sketch we have already created. We are going to this, there is a floors of 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 floors we have modeled. But as per our requirement, this is about to be 12 floor. So 9 plus 10th, 11th, 12th. So 3 floors we are required to create more. For that, we should do this. Go to view, front view, select the top floor only, selected object only, go to 3D isometric view, bring it to the center, escape, click outside. Now you copy all the things. Now you go to geometry, translate and repeat. In y direction we are going to raise the floor for 3 numbers. You take it as 3 floors. Each height 3.15 I have already fed it there. So this is print as 3.15. We are going to link all the columns. For that, you click link the steps, then give OK. Give OK. See, 1, 2, 3, 3 floors of the same dimension have formed above the floor. Now you go to view, display whole structure. See, the whole structure has got displayed. So this is how we can copy and paste any number of more floors. This can be pasted in horizontal direction also using the geometry, translate and repeat. Here, instead of clicking Y, if we click Y, these floors will go upper or lower by feeding minus or plus. If we feed this as X, this copying and pasting will go to this right side or left side. If you do the calculations, that is feeding in Z direction, the copying and pasting will be in the front side or in the rear side. By this way, we can use this tool. Now we are going to see how we can create a new file of the same type which we have already created without any properties, without any load assignment. Only we need the modeling for assigning a different type of properties, different types of loading. Okay, this is the file which we have already created. This file is completed by adding all the loads, analysis of everything being completed. Now we are going to create the same modeling in some other file for doing the same thing. In reduce it and go to new STAAD Pro file, click it, open it. See, basic listing has come. Go to new metric, new structure. That file was called as MSB marriage hall. Marriage hall, that was called as marriage hall 1. Now we are going to give a name marriage hall 2 for redesign, DESIGN, for redesign. We are going to create. Now a file with the new name has got created. Now we need that modeling of the previous file only. Go to previous file, completely select all this, click Ctrl copy, Control C, go to the new file, click it, Control B. Move current clipboard selected by a distance between the following. What with the same coordinate of x, y, z. You click OK. See, the same modeling has come up here without the support. These files are not with. On clicking this, you see the geometry is not given, properties, no properties assigned, load, no properties, no load has not been assigned. So by this way we can create we can copy a modeling in some other folder also. This will be more useful on redesigning any structure in different ways.